Yes, it's that time of year, holiday season, and we are in the depths of Lincolnshire, and there's nothing around us but fish, chips, and donkey rides, and the potential of some absolutely cracking Hot Wheels. Oh yeah. But before that, cue the holiday montage. And in here we have the original Fast and Furious arcade, and it's all about racing actually. It's not about cars and heists and banks and all that. Oh yes, gotta get on that. What is that? And not to forget the legendary Need for Speed Carbon with the Python GVR headlights in front on the top there, and spoilers on the seats. If you couldn't tell by the redness of my arm, I'm away by the coast in sunny Skegness. Oh yes. To be exact, we're stopping in Ingermills for a couple of days, which are quite nice. And I cannot escape the Hot Wheels, which is a good thing to be honest, because I finally found two of the brand new 2024s. What we got here, we got no other than the MX-5 Miata. I call it Miata, but it's not really a Miata, but never mind. In a very nice racing orange, which is a Mazda colour. Quite nice detail on the front. I mean, shame they ain't filling the headlights, but never mind. And same again for the rear. But it's got a nice little spoiler on it, so we'll take that one. And we also have, like it says on there, picked up the Volkswagen T2, which is like a flatbed styly camper van. I didn't come here for them, but if they're here, then I'm going to grab them. Going to nam them up because we can't get them back at home. So they're going straight in the display when we get back. Found this bad boy. Only £4 Great British pounds. Absolute scam. But needed it for the collection. So that's another one to the archives.
Welcome to Bingo Bango, the craziest game of bingo you'll ever play.
Got no numbers!
It's a new game of bingo, come on. We
So there we have it, just some of the highlights from our awesome couple of days in the Lincolnshire district. I didn't go expecting to see any Hot Wheels at all really, but to come away with 3 in the suitcase, which is an absolute win for us, and now to securely transport them home, that is what we will do. Successfully brought the goods home, and let's see in depth what we have actually won. So we've got the T2 pickup, which I showed you in the video earlier. We have the Mazda MX-5 in Racing Orange that I also shown earlier, and one that I didn't really touch on but is my favourite out of the 3 is the RX-3, and this is the Mad Mike edition. Other than the little crumple there, we'll forget about that, but I haven't found it anywhere else. This was the only place that had one on the shelf, so I knew I had to grab it up quickly before other people did. So we've got the Mad Mike signature there, his emblem there, and this is the car that he has designed. It is a tuned edition of the RX-3 with Trouble as the license plate, which is pretty cool. Then we come round, we've got the plastic wheels on that one to make it look like black alloys, which is nice. And then we come round to the back, which unfortunately no further detail has been made, but it's a nice car to have in the collection, as well as the other 2 for this year as well. So it's got to be done.